Why is being a member of the Leesburg Area Chamber of Commerce important? I'm sure if you own a business here in Leesburg or in a neighboring town, you've asked yourself that question. What can we do for you? I could answer that question, but I think a few of my friends and members of the Chamber say it best.
Hi, I'm Byron Holton, the Commercial Vice President of Insurance at Lassiter Ware. The Chamber helps us connect with different people and different businesses by the quantity of events that they hold, the breakfasts, the business after hours, different meet and greets. We get to know the other business owners, business managers in the area on a more personal level.
Hi, I'm Tiffany Portier. I am the owner of My Day Candle. Being a part of the Leesburg Chamber, I have met a lot of different people. I attend the breakfast, the back to school bash, where I give out samples. It has increased my flow of traffic here on Pine Street.
Hi there, I'm Melissa McCracken Kelly, and I'm the co-owner of McCracken's Irish Pub. Being a member of the Chamber has been very helpful to us. In fact, they asked if there was anything they could do, and we needed help with permits, and they guided us along. The Chamber was very helpful in getting the word out about our new business. They mentioned us at breakfast, they put us in the newsletter, and we're holding our Young Professionals Lunch here next month. We've been open for 3 weeks now. We just had a ribbon cutting the other day, and business has been booming.
Hi, I'm Scott Chevalier. I'm the Executive Director of the Powerhouse Youth Project. Just joining with the Chamber of Commerce gives us a reach that we would not have on our own. It's that opportunity to unify this community, and through the Chamber, give us the opportunity to connect to those that we can now make an impact with. We had an opportunity to meet the principal at Leesburg High School, Michael Randolph. We were able to take 50 students, helping those students identify their own purpose for life, and now being prepared to launch them after high school into their future.
Hello, I'm Michael Randolph, the proud principal of Leesburg High School. It is invaluable for Leesburg High School to be a partner with the Leesburg Chamber. It allows us to share the great things that are going on within our walls at Leesburg High School. The Leesburg Chamber supports not only Leesburg High School, but all of the schools in Region 2 through various activities and events. Our goal at Leesburg High School is to have our students engage with our community more than just at chamber breakfasts or at events, but in their line of work so that our students can see the benefits of having a career within the great city of Leesburg.
Hi, I'm Jason Kirkland, General Manager of Jenkins Honda. I've been on the board for about 5 years now for the Leesburg Chamber of Commerce. I think it's important that we're part of the community and have our voice and serve the community. The Leesburg Chamber is growing. The breakfasts are now up to over 100 people. We communicate with one another and let them know what's going on in our business. It's very satisfying.
Hi friends, I'm Amanda Neal, a nurse practitioner and the owner of Ultimate Health Direct Primary Care. Being a member of the Leesburg Chamber of Commerce, it really aligns with our goal. Our goal was to be a community partner. We want to be your primary care medical home. So having that stamp of approval from the Chamber just says, hey, you can trust these cats. When we already had Ultimate Health, it was very obvious what the needs were. Being embedded in the community, we saw the need for a smaller event space. So Petite Soiree was birthed out of that need. And being a member of the Chamber, they'd already done it once, so we figured we could do it again with that partnership.
For the last several years, your Leesburg Chamber staff, board, and members have been driven to evolve and provide value, advocacy, and impact to our community and each other. We know that strong businesses lead to a strong sense of community, and a strong community leads to a strong Leesburg. As you can tell, we not only have a lot of success, but we also have a lot of fun throughout the year. For those of you who are already members, with particular appreciation to our trustees, thank you for supporting the Leesburg Chamber. And in doing so, helping to make our city a better place to live, work, and connect. And for those of you who aren't members yet, what more do you need to know?
I'm just saying.
Strong business.
Strong community.
Strong Leesburg.